Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to select Privacy over here and click on Permission Manager. Following that, pick one of your phone's features like Location and one of your apps like Maps. Then click on one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can start Maps, just gained access to this OnePlus location. But you can also just click on one of your apps, click on See All Maps Permissions here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!